Hello and welcome, my friends. It's once again Sven from the channel BFD Drives, and I'm here with something else. Because the Porsches you have seen already in the last video, or well, not the last, but the last diecast video. So we have here something else. Hot Wheels, as you can tell, and you can see there are some cool cars already on this cool box. This is the box with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I cannot count. At least it's the Replay, the classics box, and you can also see here 80 years Mattel. And we have here Porsche 935. Oh, another Porsche, cool. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL gullwing, Volkswagen drag Beetle, Toyota 2000 GT, 67 Camaro, 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, and the Hot Bird. And it's all, well, let's try to zoom out so you can see the entire box. So nice artwork. I've seen this box at George's miniature cars. He was showing it in a short in October, just in 29 seconds. And I was like, wow, I have to get this. And I've got it here. I found it here in Germany. I was buying it on eBay for, I'm believing it were 28 euros plus shipping. So quite a nice price, because I've seen there were already some resellers trying to get already 40 euros for that, which is absolutely, yeah, not nice. But well, let's open it, because I want to show you these little cars out of the box. And I'm knowing, yeah, halving the value, whatever. But yeah, when I'm halving the value, you don't have to. So you can decide if this box is for you, because this is my box. I can do with it what I want. I've opened the box, but I've just seen it at the back side. We can also see something. So here you're also seeing what models you will find. But well, I'm not buying these models for reselling, so of course this box is later going to the garbage for the recycling, because it doesn't seem like you can open it without damaging it. So I was damaging it, and oh well, I don't care. I have some cameras where I can place these beauties. And let's start right away with the Porsche, because well, as you can remember, we have here also a Porsche 935 from Majorette. So now I only need to figure out how to get these out. Oh, that's quite heavy. It's a silver line, I was thinking. Plastic body. It's a 935. Nice details. 80th anniversary. Very cool. And it's seeming to be larger than the one from Majorette. So here's the one from Majorette, just to let you see. That's definitely a difference. So the Majorette is scale. Where is it? 1 to 62. Well, then this must be actually even larger. Because we still 1 to 64, it must be smaller. Anyway, very cool. Showing you the next one. Also very nice. This is the 300 SL gullwing. Also the more standard wheels, but take a look at these wonderful tempos. So cool. It's looking like a Zamac, so it's not silver painted, it's the bare metal. 300 SL. By the way, I've also been to the Mercedes-Benz museum, where you can see a real one of these. Actually, not only one, there are more. So, goodness, they are well packed, but really quite heavy. I'm just wondering, I mean, oh yeah, this one has a metal body. So what is it? This is the made in Thailand Must be the Volkswagen drag bus, it's not a bus, drag Beetle. Very heavy, that's heavy metal. So, and, well, until I've packed it, take a look at these beauties. Now, let's take a look at this. Here we have a Toyota 2000 GT. Plastic base. Nice wheels, also nice livery. Also Zamacs with some cool tempos. Very cool. And now we are getting the gasser. Guess what? It's the gasser. Here we have the Tusque gasser Bel Air, also Zamacs, also with some nice tempos. This one is a little bit lighter, so also plastic base. So here you can see what we have below. And now we have this one, the Camaro 67. Oh, nice tempos. Also Zamacs, of course. Oh, and it seems like you can open the hood. No way. No way you can really do that. So, that's a detail you wouldn't know if you are not opening the box because you are collecting for resale. Because then this is unknown to you. So let's try to get the hot. Oh my goodness, almost falling down. So here is the hot build. Nice tempos. This is really very cool. Also Zamacs, of course. Trans Am, like the 1977. Beautiful. Well, now it's time to put them on the turntable. So let's turn around the first model. This is the Porsche 935. Let's move the camera a little bit or zoom out a little bit. So, very cool, isn't it? Definitely amazing. So, next one, the Camaro from 1967. Also such a cool casting. And you can even open the hood. That's not something that you are finding at other models on Hot Wheels nowadays. So this is really very cool. So they probably used an older casting. But, oh yeah, even metal base. Very nice. Definitely nice. So now, next car, time is running. I want to stay under 10 minutes. Here, Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Coupe, gullwing, legendary car. Very successful in motorsports. Very cool. And so now we have this here. So what was it called? Volkswagen and drag Beetle. Also very heavy, metal base. Very cool. It's a Volkswagen. Pretty fast. Ah, loving it. So, now we have this one. The Chevy Bel Air from 1955. Gasser. So gasser we are seeing. We have the high front axle and the big engine, the exposed engine. It's the gasser. So, now something Japanese. Konnichiwa. Here, the Toyota 2000 GT. And I'm just noticing that the headlamps are actually lensed. That's also something that you do not get to see all the time on Hot Wheels. Very cool. That's something that's more common for Majorettes. And now, last but not least, the 77 Pontiac Firebird, or actually in this case, it is the Hot Bird And yeah, I hope you enjoyed what you are seeing. So if you like this box, don't forget to give me a like. If you haven't subscribed already, do that. Leave a comment, tell me what's your favorite car of this box. And yeah, if you like this box, also yeah, consider buying it, because it's really worth, at least in my opinion, if you are collecting stuff like this. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.